Step 1. Draw cloud. Step 2. Make sun on the cloud. This time we will draw a sun on that cloud. We draw a circle first. Step 3. Draw the face and eyes of the sun. In this step of drawing, we draw a beautiful eye and face of the sun. First, we draw the outer side of the eye, then draw the eyeball inside his eyes. Then draw a mouth just below the eyes. Step 4. Color the sun. We color the full sun yellow, including the face and mouth. Then color the outline with red color pencil. Painting it red will make it look like it is burning. Step 5. Color the outline. We make the color of the clouds light blue. If you wish, you can make the color of the cloud like the picture above, or you can fill the whole cloud with blue color.
Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Step 6. Highlight the border. Look, our picture of the clouds and the sun is almost finished. Finally, we highlight the outlines of the picture with a black sketch to make the picture look more interesting.
Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about. Have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease.